Hi traders, this is Jason Lloyd from Forexsuggest, and today we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 best EUREX brokers. Be sure to like, subscribe and click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. The EUREX exchange is an international exchange that predominantly offers trade in European derivatives. EUREX is the largest futures and options market in Europe and features a variety of instruments that can be traded from German and Swiss debt instruments to stocks and a variety of stock indexes. All transactions which are executed on EUREX are subsequently cleared through EUREX clearing, which serves the function as a central counterparty, or CCP, for multi-asset class clearing of a variety of products as previously mentioned, in addition to over-the-counter or OTC traded products. Traders who are searching for a list of some of the top 5 best EUREX brokers can sometimes find it to be a difficult process, especially when searching for a safe, reliable and trustworthy broker to trade with. So in this video, we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 best EUREX brokers. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have Saxo Bank. Saxo Bank is a globally regulated multi-asset class broker which offers traders the option to trade on more than 40,000 instruments. Regulated in 15 jurisdictions, including authorization from the UK Financial Conduct Authority, the Australian Securities and Investments Commission, the Financial Services Agency of Japan, and many more. Specializing in Forex, futures, CFDs, commodities, Forex Options, listed options, cryptocurrencies, and more. Available platforms are featured on the Saxo Go and Saxo Pro trading platforms, with access to third-party tools and APIs, which are supported as a web-based browser application and on Windows, Android, and iOS operating systems. Their accounts are available on demo, Saxo, corporate and professional accounts, with classic, platinum and VIP tiers, which provide 24 hours a day, 5 days a week customer support services, lower prices, access to over 40,000 instruments, and more. Saxo Bank also provides their very own educational center, which delves into various trading topics, such as how-to video tutorials, their featured market call podcasts, webinars you can sign up to or watch on demand, a selection of written educational content that covers risk management, the psychology of trading, as well as courses in the financial markets for you to browse through if you are searching for any additional educational content with Saxo Bank. At number 4 on our list is Grand Capital. Grand Capital is a Finacom-regulated market maker and ECN broker, which has been in operation since 2006 and is headquartered in Russia. Grand Capital specializes in trading through stocks, indices, metals, energies, and cryptocurrencies. Featured platforms are available on the MetaTrader 4 and 5 trading platforms, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts feature standard, MetaTrader 5, micro, crypto, swap-free, and ECN Prime accounts. Grand Capital offers traders the option of a LAMM account, which is a social trading service offered by the broker, where investors can automatically copy the trades of professional traders who are registered as managers. There is a list of LAMM managers provided by the broker. It provides investors with the trader's profile, which shows their history, profits, manager's commission, number of investors that they manage, and more. Grand Capital also provides a free trading textbook, a financial news section which covers a wide array of analysis, as well as daily reviews for you to browse through if you are searching for any additional educational material with Grand Capital. Coming in at number 3, we have Markets.com. Markets.com was founded in 2008 and is a well-regulated STP broker based in Australia, South Africa, and Cyprus. The broker is regulated by the CYSEC, the ASIC, and the FSCA. This broker offers tight spreads, VIP services, and sophisticated technology for retail traders and institutional investors. However, it is also a suitable option for beginners, specializing in trading through Forex currency pairs, cryptocurrencies, commodity CFDs, bonds, index CFDs, equities, and ETFs. Platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and the Markets.com proprietary trading platforms, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Markets.com offers one standard multi-purpose trading account that can be used to access all the platforms and over 2,200 tradable instruments. However, you can also upgrade to a professional account if you are a high-volume trader or an institutional investor. Their accounts come with negative balance protection, minimal slippage, and tight spreads. Markets.com also provides their very own knowledge center that delves into traders' insights, honest expert opinions, and tips for trading and investing with confidence. You can also download their trading ebook and use X-Ray for professional news feeds, expert views, and market commentary. There are plenty of webinars, news updates, analysis reports, and other resources that you can use to help you learn more about trading. At number 2 on our list is Interactive Brokers. Interactive Brokers is an online financial broker that was founded in 1978 and is regulated by multiple financial authorities, including the UK's Financial Conduct Authority and the US Securities and Exchange Commission. Interactive Brokers offers sophisticated trading technology and specializes in trading through stocks, options, futures, forex, precious metals, bonds, and more. Platforms are available on Interactive Brokers' client portal web application, their very own trader workstation platform, IBKR mobile application with featured APIs, and are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Interactive Brokers offers a wide variety of account options to suit the needs of any trader, from individual, joint, and family accounts to small business accounts, advisors accounts, and more. Interactive Brokers also features their very own Traders Academy, which covers beginner, intermediate, and advanced trading courses, a Traders Insight panel, a variety of short educational videos, webinars that you can sign up to or watch on demand, and more if you are looking for any additional education with Interactive Brokers. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best EUREX brokers, we have eToro. eToro is an online broker which was founded in 2006 and offers CFDs and social trading, with a head office based in Cyprus and the UK. eToro is supervised by the Financial Conduct Authority and the Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission. Traders can trade in a wide variety of over 100 instruments, including Forex, stocks, commodities, ETFs, indices, and cryptocurrencies. Featured platform for accounts is available on the eToro trading platform and mobile application, which are available on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. eToro trading accounts are offered on Demo, Micro, Mini, Standard, STP, and Islamic accounts. eToro also provides their very own market news and analysis panels, guides in the financial markets, a trading academy which covers a variety of helpful educational trading topics, tutorial videos, a featured podcast, guides to social trading, as well as their very own trading school, which includes courses, webinars, and more for you to browse through if you are looking for any additional educational resources with eToro. And those are some of the top 5 best EUREX brokers on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.